Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video for next week. So let's start the video with the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report. And if we check the latest COT report and if we check the positions of the managed money, you can see that for this particular week, if we look into the change in positions of managed money, you can see that this week also the managed money, they are decreasing, or you can say they covering their long positions. This time also they decreased their long positions by 5283 contracts. Also they are decreasing their short positions, and for this week they decreased their short positions by -3705. So as you can see, the sentiment, or you can say the scenario on the COT report is again repeating. They are repeating the scenario like previous COT report. If you remember the previous week COT report, let me show you the previous week. So this is the previous week COT report, and you can see here that in previous week also we have seen a good amount of long covering, or you can say they decreased their long positions in previous week also they decreased their short positions by a small amount. So as you can see, the same scenario is happening in the latest COT report. So they covering their positions from the both side. Okay, and we already seen the impact on the chart. It is moving into the both side. Overall, if we talk in terms of the weekly range, it is still in the range. Let me show you what happened in last week. So as you can see, the price was, this is the 1 hour time frame chart, as you can see, and this is from here you can see this is a 1 hour time frame chart, and price opened around this level on Monday. After that, after going into the higher side near to 2450, price rejected, and we have seen a very good decline into the lower side, as you can see, because this was the level of support in previous trading sessions. This was the monthly pivot. This is around 2416. As you can see, the price previously taking support on this level 241615, roughly this dotted line. But for this previous week, we have seen that price break down from this level, and we have seen a good continuous sharp decline. But we already discussed this in live trading session in Telegram channel, that the level of 2382 was weekly support, and after breaking down this level, price quickly reversed back. And as you can see that this level was the support, the level around 2416. Then after making low, we have seen that price faced resistance over to this level which was support. So that level was acting as a resistance. Then again we have seen that price tested this level multiple times, this level around 2382. As you can see, the price was taking support on this level multiple times, and on Thursday opening, after testing this level for final time, we have seen a continuously sharp move. So gold recovered all of its losses, almost its losses, on Thursday and Friday trading sessions. As you can see, this was a continuous up move. So as you can see from here, after reclaiming this level, the level of 241615, price retested this level, and then again it is moving into the higher side and finally closed at 2431. So what are the levels that we have to watch, and what are the levels that we can consider for buy and sell opportunities? Let's discuss those levels. So we are going to start with the pivots placement for next week. So as you can see, as per the pivot placement, this level is of course our major support. This level, that means the monthly pivot, it is our major support into the lower side. Also for next week, this level 2418 is our weekly pivot. So we have two support, or you can say two levels at the same price level, that is 2415. We have monthly pivot for next week, and this level 2418, as you can read over here, this is our weekly pivot. So above this level, if price stays above this level, then we can expect a bounce into the higher side, and the first resistance that we have to watch is of course this level, because this was the previous week high. So around this level 2450 to 2455, we can look for sell opportunities if we see some confirmation on selling on 1 hour time frame. So this is the scenario on a 1 hour time frame. Or if price breakout suddenly, if we see some spikes and if we do not see any confirmation, then the next immediate resistance that we can look for sell is 2472. This was a high, you can see. So this was a high level, or you can say the level of resistance that we can look for selling opportunities. So on Monday opening, it is clearly, as you can see, let me switch it on daily time frame. So on daily time frame, as you can see, the structure on daily time frame is this. We already shared this structure in Telegram channel and we already discussed. As you can see on daily time frame, it is currently forming a this triangle shape structure, and as per the daily closing, it is still a bullish candle. Previous day, that is Thursday, was a good bullish candle, and we do not have any confirmation in rejection right now. So we can expect that price might test this level at least, or if we see some rejection and wick formation, then we can expect a decline. But on daily time frame, it is still showing that price can go into the higher side, and we better look for buy opportunities on daily time frame. Also, if any candle close about to this trend line, as this is the resistance in higher side, so after that we can look for buying opportunities toward higher price level. Under this, we can expect consolidation like this. So this is the scenario. Overall daily time frame is showing a bullish sentiment. Also on lower time frame, also it is still in bullish phase right now. So also the week, if we check the week candlestick, it you can see the weekly close was, you can say, a complete rejection from the lower level on weekly time frame. You can see the price rejected from this support area, and the weekly candle is a rejection candle, and we can expect a move like this on weekly time frame also. Also on lower time frame, that is on 4 hour time frame, these are the order blocks that we have to watch. In previous week trading sessions, price formed a bullish order block at this level. You can see this is a good move because price break out from this resistance area. So now this level around 2400 to 2410, this is a bullish order block. If price test this level like this, because the price closed under to 2434 on 4-hour time frame, because this is a Fibonacci resistance level for this particular cycle. From here to here, this is the Fibonacci golden zone area. Price closed under this, but there is no confirmation of sell right now, because the candle is, yes, candle is facing resistance, but there is no clear indication or clear confirmation on price action for rejection. So if you want to take sell, I think we better have to wait to it to trade or you can say break down at least the previous Fibonacci support. It is at 2421. So if price break down or reject from here, then for confirmation we have to wait it to break down this level, then only we can look for scalping or intraday entry toward this level. Into the higher side, this is of course a big bearish order block that you can see on 4-hour. Yes, on this level 2450 we can look for selling opportunities, because it is clearly showing a resistance. And if price reclaim this area about to 2480, then of course we are going for 2500 or higher levels. So this is the scenario on different time frames, and it is easy to read on price action. So what are the data that we have to watch? Let's discuss that for next week. You can see on Monday we do not have any major data that going to impact the movement of gold. On Tuesday we have PPI data that we have to watch. On Wednesday we have important CPI and core CPI data and CPI year on year. This is the important and high impact data that we have to watch on Wednesday. On Thursday we have the retail sales data, and then core retail sales data, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index on Thursday, and initial jobless claim is also on Thursday. On Friday we have building permits data. So these are the data that we have to watch carefully. So we are going to discuss more about the levels and the live price action in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.